In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Wix Error 400 step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Wix Error 400 is usually a bad request error, and it can appear when you're trying to load your dashboard, edit your site, submit a form, or access certain Wix features. The good news is that in most cases, this error can be fixed in just a few minutes without any technical knowledge. If you're building or managing a Wix website and this error is stopping you from working, this video is for you. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button if this helps you out, and subscribe to the channel for more Wix tutorials, website fixes, and easy software guides. Alright, let's get started. The very first thing you should do when you see Wix Error 400 is simply refresh the page. I know this sounds basic, but temporary loading issues or expired requests can trigger this error. Click the refresh button in your browser, or press Ctrl and R on Windows or Command and R on Mac. In many cases, the page reloads correctly and the error disappears. If refreshing doesn't fix it, move on to the next step. Step 2 is to check your internet connection and make sure it's stable. Wix relies on a constant connection to load the dashboard and editor properly. If your internet is slow, unstable, or dropping packets, Wix may return a 400 error. Try opening another website to confirm your internet is working fine. If possible, switch to a different network, restart your router, or disable any VPN you're using temporarily. Once your connection is stable, reload Wix and see if the error is gone. If you're still seeing the issue, the next step is to log out of your Wix account and log back in. Sometimes authentication sessions expire or become corrupted, which can cause Wix to reject requests. To do this, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of Wix, choose Log Out, and completely close your browser. Reopen the browser, go back to wix.com, and sign in again. After logging in, try accessing your dashboard or editor and check if the error is resolved. Step 4 is to republish your site. If the error is happening while viewing or interacting with your live site, republishing can refresh your site's data and fix configuration issues. Go to your Wix dashboard, open the site editor, and click the Publish button. Wait for the confirmation that your site is live again, then reload the page where you were seeing the error. This step is especially helpful if you recently made changes to your site, apps, or settings. Step 5 is to carefully check any forms or input data connected to the page where the error occurs. Wix Error 400 can appear if a form is submitting invalid or incomplete data. Open the Wix editor, click on the form, and review all fields. Make sure required fields are not broken, email fields are formatted correctly, and there are no custom input rules causing conflicts. If the error appears after submitting a form, try testing it with simple, valid information to see if it works. Fixing form settings often resolves this issue instantly. The final step is to check Wix's system status. Sometimes the problem isn't on your end at all. Wix services can experience temporary outages or disruptions that lead to Error 400 error messages. Open a new tab and search for Wix status, then visit the official Wix status page. Check if there are any ongoing incidents related to the editor, dashboard, or login services. If there is an outage, the best solution is to wait until Wix resolves it on their side. Once the service is restored, the error should disappear automatically. And that's it. By following these steps, you can fix Wix Error 400 quickly and get back to building or managing your website without stress. If this video helped you solve the problem, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Wix fixes, tutorials, and easy guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.